Good day, everyone! We are the developers of the research entitled Clinic Management Application.
Background of the study. The use of clinic management application could enhance the services and also the workflow of all activity that happens in a clinic, where it helps in reducing the workload of medical staff, the number of manpower needed, and it also made clinic management became more manageable and easier to control. The main objective of this research work was to design a web application that would cover all the aspect of management and operations of the clinic. Number 1, it would enable the clinic registration and appointment process to become accessible online, and this feature would help a lot in managing all patients that want service of the clinic. People prefer to do everything on smartphones and computers as it makes things simpler for everybody. People also expected the medical service to be as quick as possible without much delay. One of the best ways to eliminate the traditional way of booking an appointment was by booking an appointment online in just a few steps. That's why the researchers went up with the idea of making the clinic management application. With the clinic management application, the user could gather and manage all the information in one easily accessible location and could make an appointment for the transaction online. Number 2, the program had been used for proper handling of patients' records and related information in the clinic. The recorded file, date of appointments, doctor in charge, and other related medical information had been entered into the program. This was a special tool to support the smooth operating of the software components that were important for the admin, doctor, and patient. The clinic management application kept track of all transactions, appointment, and billings. Implementation of various features empowers smooth and clear functionality. Number 3, this was stored in a database that could be accessed easily within a short span and yet securely stored in an appropriate and stress-free manner. Finding a paper record that was stored in a different location and collecting them to review by the admin was time-consuming and complicated. While in electronic sound, it could be easier and save time. The data were only as secure as the paper itself, and the entire record were individual pages within a record that could easily be misplaced, damaged, lost, or stolen.
First, just search the clinicmanagementapp.com. After that, you will be taken to the page. It will pop up a message about the Data Privacy Act that contains some information. Click OK, and you will see the 3 users, the admin login, the patient login, the doctor login, and some video that contains some tips, the contact us in the footer. I'm a patient, so I click the patient login. If you don't have an account, click the registration. After, fill up the information needed, patient name, address, mobile number, email, city, zip code, username, and password. Blood group, gender, and date of birth. Then submit. Log in your created account. You will see the QR code, registration date and time. If you want to request an appointment, click Add Appointment and fill up the information needed. Then submit. If the date and time you choose is full, a message will appear like this. Sorry, the appointment date and time is full. Then, I click OK. So, I add another appointment. Then, submit. Appointment record inserted successfully. If you want to see the status of your appointment request, click the View Appointment. The status of your request is pending because you will wait for the approval of the clinic if your request is approved or not. Once your appointment is approved, someone will send it to your Gmail account that it has been approved, as well as when it's cancelled. Also, you can cancel your request if you change your mind. You can view your profile if you want to update your information. Also, you can change your password. The next one is the doctor timing. You can see the available time of the doctor. The active means the available and inactive is not available. In View Treatment, the patient see their treatment history in the clinic. Then, log out. After some days pass, the clinic will send you a Gmail to remind your appointment like this.
Your doctor user, you will use your username and password to log in. Into the doctor account, you may see the QR code and some information about appointment of the patient. And if you want to update your profile, you may update that into the profile. And if you want also change your password, you may change that in the change password. And to the view pending appointment record, you may see the record of pending appointment of the patient and you may approve or cancel the appointment. To approve, it will automatically notify them to their email that their appointment is approved. And to the view approved appointment records, you will see the records of approved appointments and you may remind them and automatically notify them again to their email. And to the treatment record, you may add the information of treatment that happened to the clinic. And you may see the treatment record to the table below. And to the prescription record, we may add new prescription. And add the medicine that the patient will buy. And to the view patient report, you will see the prescription record and the billing report. And to the view patient record, you will see the list of patients that you treat. And to the add new doctor timings, you may add the time that you are active or inactive. And you will see that to the view doctor timings record. You can also edit the timings. Into the view treatment record, you will see the treatment that happened to your clinic. Into the view treatment records, you will see the types of treatment that you have. And you will log out to your account.
Admin dashboard. Before going to the admin dashboard, you need to fill up the admin login panel. In the admin dashboard, it shows the admin name and database records in the clinic. There are other buttons here: profile, patient, appointment, treatment, doctor, and lastly, the settings. In profile button, it shows the admin profile, change password, add admin, and view admin. In patient button, you can add new patient or view patient records. Here in view patient records, you can see the patient report panel, which shows the patient profile, appointment record, treatment record, prescription record, billing report, and payment report if the patient is paid or not. In appointment button, admin can add new appointment for patient, view pending appointments, and view approved appointments. In treatment button, admin can see the treatment records happen between patient and doctor. In doctor button, admin can add doctor, and view doctor timings. And lastly, the settings button. In settings button, admin can add department, view department, add treatment type, view treatment types, add medicine, and view medicine.
Conclusion. The developer, as the respondent, if editing and updating the profile in the clinic management application is fast and accurate. The developers receive a weighted mean of 4.45 with a verbal interpretation of strongly agree. That's why the developers conclude that the clinic management application that the developers developed and studied can help the user easily manage the clinic records because the admin can easily add, edit, delete, and view records. The next one, the developer as the respondent. The other factors included in it are the making an appointment on the website easy and convenient. The developers receive a weighted mean of 4.5 with a verbal interpretation of agree. That's why the developers conclude that the clinic management application can provide a systematic schedule application for going to the clinic with notification via email and also limiting the number of a patient going to the clinic. The third one, the developer asks the respondent if the system makes the transaction easier. The developers receive a weighted mean of 4.75 with a verbal interpretation of strongly agree. That's why the developers conclude that the clinic management application makes a good transaction report and billing report that can help to detect every transaction between patient and doctor and monitor if the patient is paid or not. Last one, the developer asks the respondent if the personal information is kept private. The developers receive a weighted mean of 4.3 with a verbal interpretation of agree. That's why the developers conclude that the clinic management application also protects and secures the patient records and information in the clinic by the username and password that only the users know to open their account.
Recommendations. The developers recommend having an online payment through a bank that uses a credit or debit card and also GCash and PayMaya for the patient. The developers recommend this because it is one easy way to pay billing transactions and most people now are using this kind of billing. The developers also recommend having SMS notification for the offline notification so that if the patient has no internet connection, a patient can still notified by the clinic. The developers recommend this because the patient is not always connected to the internet. So, SMS notification is very helpful to notify patient even they are not connected to the internet. Lastly, the developers recommend having a comment section for the patient feedback or new idea to improve the efficiency of the clinic management application. The developers recommend this so the developers can get some new ideas for the good and effectiveness of the clinic management application.